Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a screenshot with your mobile phone's Samsung. Let's begin with J5 2016. First of all, the screenshot is home button and power button. We can do it, our screenshot, without our buttons. We have to go to Settings, Assistant menu, and we have to enable the assistant. It was already enabled. As you see, there is this little screen. If I press here, there is screenshot, and I made a screenshot. In this phone there isn't the swipe screenshot, so I cannot screenshot in this way, in this way, or in this way, or in this way. So let's try with this different one. Okay, I cannot show you my password. Here the screenshot is power button and down volume in this way. Doesn't take it. It doesn't take it again. Let's try again. And I did it. There is a different way to make screenshot without the button too, and this option is more in the newest Samsung as this, not like the old one that I showed you before. So have to write swipe capture, palm swipe to capture. We have to enable this option, and when I make like this, let's try again. I made a screenshot, as you see. Thank you guys, remember to subscribe to see more video like this.